Dear students, welcome back to Full Scholarships live video series. In this video, we are going to discuss about fully funded Khalifa University Scholarships for session 2026 for Bachelors, Masters and PhD. Open to all international students. How to apply for this particular university. We'll show the full process for that and how do you enroll yourself in UAE. Before that, let me remind to subscribe our YouTube channel Full Scholarships. If you are here for the first time, please do subscribe. Also, do follow us on Instagram page as well. The link for this Khalifa University fully funded scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos. Links are given in the respective description of each of the videos. Also, in the about section of the YouTube, you can see all the links are published there. On Instagram bio, you can see all the links there. On Instagram highlights, links are also published there. Or you can check out Instagram story. Link will be also there. You can directly visit our website fullscholarships.net or cashmanlook.com or directly message our team as well. So when you reach to our website fullscholarships.net through all the links, you'll check out this particular scholarship here. And we'll go with the details about this. So it is hosted by the UAE and through Khalifa University. Degree level is Bachelors, Masters and PhD. Financial benefits fully funded. Deadline for this opportunity is March 2nd, 2026. It will be giving full tuition fee, monthly stipend, travel with which includes flights, health and visa, accommodation and textbooks. So departments that you can avail or the subjects that you can complete your degree is Aerospace, College of Engineering and Physical Sciences. You can see computing and mathematics, medicine, health and eligibility criteria. You must be an international student, open to all nationalities, and you should have an academic background. If you're applying for a master, you should have a bachelor's. For PhD, you should have bachelor's and master's. Test scores, GRE and IELTS, TOEFL must be there. And English waiver is if you are a native speaker of English language, then IELTS and TOEFL is not required. And statement of purpose must be in 500 to 1000 words, and an admission interview is required for final selection. Required documents that you need to upload: official degree and certificates, official transcripts, English proficiency score or waiver proof that you have completed your previous education in English language or medium of instruction, GRE score or report, CV, passport, photo and valid passport copy, SOP, research statement and two recommendation letters. How do you apply? Simply scroll down here. You can see click here to apply. Click on this link to start application. When you click here to apply, it will take you directly to the official website of Khalifa University. Here you can see postgraduate admissions and applications for fall 2026 are open now. Application will close on 2nd of March. Click on this start your application here button, and when you click on that, you can see for new users you can click on create an account here and enter your first name, your middle name, your last name, then your email address, birth date, nationality, choose from the list here, and the country of residence as per passport number, and click on submit. I already have completed this part of this application. I'll simply use my username and password here and simply log in with the details. Now I click on login. Here you can see I have successfully logged into the dashboard. For the first time users, you will have no applications there. You have to click on start new application here. Now you can see there are currently no application types available because I already have submitted one application here. And for you will have to create an application. You will just choose one application like this and application will start. First, you'll have guidelines of the application. You will click on continue, and then next, how did you heard about this? You have to mention introduction. So just take appropriate answers. Have you previously applied to Khalifa University? Mention no. Have been student at Khalifa? No. And staff at Khalifa University? No. Mention to them. Have you had participated in outreach programs? Yes and no accordingly. Then click on continue. After that, you will have the personal information: your first name, your last name, then your gender, your marital status, nationality as per passport, mother's nationality, father's nationality, your native language. If you select other language here, you will be required to submit English proficiency. I will select native as an English, and then date of birth, country of birth, country of residence and city and region and postcode of my address. Then passport and details of my family. So I'll just mention my passport number, date of issue, date of expiry. Are you a UAE resident? I am not. I am an Indian citizen. So I'll just mention no here. Do you have any medical health condition? So I do not have any. If you have, you can mention yes and no, and then I mention details that have you previously served in military. Click on no and yes accordingly if you have. After that, next is the contact information. So enter email address, enter phone numbers, and click on continue. When you complete that, you have now program. Select the level of program you wish to apply, masters and PhD. I'll select masters. Then select the program of masters you wish to go for. You can see, as per my date of birth, it is only showing these two options. If you are under 23 or under 21, you'll be showing bachelors as well. But as per my age, it is only showing these two are eligible for me. So many will ask that is the bachelors is not available here. Then I'll choose the program. And if you are not selected for the program, will you be transferring your application to other alternative programs? So you can mention yes and full time. Mode of study you have to choose. Then mention SOP here. After that, do you any publication? Yes and no, and click on continue. After that, university information, your bachelor's and master's degree, if you have any, you can just add them. I have just randomly submitted both applications. At that time, I have entered both information. I'll just submit high school if you're applying for undergraduate, and if you're applying for master, you should enter undergraduate as well as high school information. After that, click on continue. And the GRE is optional. Do you have GRE score? So I do not have. Have you? Do you have English language proficiency score? So you can say yes and no, and you can mention IELTS score as well if you have. Else, you can just exempt from that. Are you currently employed? So I am not. I'll click on no and continue. Then is the scholarship information. Khalifa University provides full and partial competitive scholarship to applicants based on qualifications and availability of scholarship seats. Scholarship applying for, you have to mention here external scholarship, self-funded, or KU. You have to select KU. Then in type of scholarship, you have to select KU Master Scholarship. Did you read Master's information? Say yes. Do you have sufficient financial resource to support yourself if you get accepted? So I do not have mentioned no and continue. Then is the housing accommodation. Do you require accommodation? Mention yes and click on continue. Then reference detail, add referee details here. So enter your referee details here. After that, click on continue. So now you have your information. You have to upload your passport here. You have to upload your white background photograph here. Your bachelor's degree, bachelor's transcript, CV, and English proficiency. Once you upload all them, you can click on continue. Then you have signature, enter your full name here, and then click on continue. After that, you have review. So these two are less in words, so you have to complete them. So complete these two sections, and when you complete these two, you will be able to submit. So let me just complete this SOP. You can see it is showing required words. So let me just click on continue and go to review so that we can see what is left. Reference, at least two references are required. So let me add one more reference. And enter the email. And enter a message. Then click on send to recommender. You can see done. Go to review again. You can see finalize application and pay. Click on this. Click on OK. So now there's an application fee involved in this. You can see temporary resource unavailable. So there might be some error. Let's go back and click on this, and you can see awaiting payment. Let's click on this, click on open application. So if payment is awaiting, you can see because references are not submitted at the moment, so it will be showing in such a way. So once references are complete, you can submit the application fee. awaiting payment. Only this error will be showing, so you can see. So that's the process for this particular scholarship. Both admission and scholarship form are combined together. You don't have to fill separate application. And you can see it's in top 200 in QS rankings 2026, this university. We have previously also made one of the videos regarding the same bachelor's or master's scholarship. You can watch that as well. And yeah, that's it. In the meantime, please do follow us and do subscribe to our YouTube channel, Full Scholarships. All the links regarding this Khalifa University Scholarship is given in the video description below. You can check out any of the videos links and the respective description also in the about section. And you can see cashnook.com or fullscholarships.net. You can apply to these scholarships there. With this, I am signing off for today. Have a nice day ahead.